Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to get your SP to be addicted to you. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. This is such a beautiful background, and I am still in Thailand, in Krabi, and I am absolutely loving this rainforest scenery. I am surrounded by monkeys, reptiles, squirrels. As an Australian, that's pretty freaking cool, and butterflies, and I just love this scenery. I'm so obsessed. I'm surrounded by the most beautiful beaches and I'm having the most amazing time. I got such a good tan this morning and now it's raining, so let's get into the video. I'm really excited. So the way that you get your SP to be addicted to you is simply through repetition and persisting in the story that you want. There is no other algorithm, there's no other way of getting it done. If you want the fastest results, you will know right now that in this reality, your SP, let's call him James, James is addicted to you. That is the reality now. You just have to know it right now. So live in the end, in the one moment that you are sitting with me, just recognizing James is addicted to me. That is you now living in the end. Whenever you are doubting yourself, you are reminding yourself, no, James is addicted to me. And you know that in your mind, in your heart, in your soul. Just like you know that 1 + 1 is 2, you know as a fact that James is addicted to you. Now on top of that, we are saturating our minds. So we are consistently persisting, repeating as much as we possibly can throughout the day that James is addicted to us. You don't have to pick a million affirmations. You don't even have to pick 5. All you need to do is keep repeating, James is addicted to me. James is addicted to me. James is addicted to me. And we are repeating that, and we are not letting up until we see that in our reality. That is as simple as it gets. There is no other secret formula. There are different techniques. There are ways of getting into a vibration to attract what it is that you want. The fastest and easiest way for most people, from my experience, is repeating that statement, that of which you want, until it happens. There's no other secret formula. But use this video and all of the other videos that I have done about manifesting SPs and persisting and affirming as motivation to keep going. Because I understand that first day of excitement when you're affirming, guys, and then you might get a little bit disappointed because you're not seeing any birds before land, or you're not seeing anything that remotely gives you evidence that your manifestation is coming. I understand that it can be hard, but let's not make it hard. Like, we're just getting back to basics and reminding ourselves that to get what you want, to get your SP addicted to you, you simply need to repeat, SP is addicted to me. You have to be a cold-hearted bitch and not look at the 3D circumstances. No matter if your mom asks you, oh, how is James? No matter if you look on his Instagram and he's with 3P. No matter if your friends are talking about him, about how much fun he's having in his life. You have to be a cold-hearted ass bitch and not look at your 3D circumstances. You have to consistently keep bringing yourself to your mind. That requires willpower on your part. That requires discipline. But wouldn't you put in discipline and willpower if you knew that that's what it's going to take for James, for your SP to be addicted to you? There has been countless of success stories. You can do this at any time of the day or night, and many people, everyone has achieved exactly what it is that they want through this method. But it's just that second day, that third day, that fourth day where you might forget, you might get distracted, or you might see people living their best life, or James living his best life, or you not getting any results, and you might feel a little bit discouraged. So now at that point, it is your job to stop yourself and say, no, everything manifests when I simply affirm for it in my mind. It manifests out into the reality. Why would I not keep affirming? You need to trust that law of assumption works, and you need to trust that affirmations work. At this point, you don't even need to trust in yourself. You just need to know that simply, if you keep repeating one sentence over and over again, that is going to reflect in your reality. That's it. James is addicted to me. James is addicted to me. James is addicted to me. You are repeating that over and over again like a parrot, like a robot, like motherfucking Siri when she can't stop saying, I'm sorry, I couldn't quite hear that. I'm sorry, I couldn't quite hear that. Or when you know the way and your GPS is still telling you where to go and it keeps repeating itself and it's like, I know where I'm going. Yeah, you need to just be mindless, stupid, like in terms of you're not thinking about anything. There's no meaning behind your words. There's no thinking, there's no imagining that James is addicted to you. It's all very simple. We're consistently repeating, and when we're out of motivation, if we're feeling a little bit discouraged, watch my videos. Watch my videos for motivation, because when I first started out, there was no way I could just watch one video and be like, oh yeah, okay, yeah, bet, let me just do that. I had to keep on consistently reminding myself, this works, this is real. Let me watch another YouTuber, let me watch another video for inspiration, let me watch some success stories. If they could do it, I could do it too, motherfucker. And so can you. Just keep repeating, watch videos for inspiration, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You got this. With that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.